Are you terrified of breaking a hip, dealing with crumbling teeth, or knees that grind like sandpaper? It is scary. You have been told to drink milk and take calcium supplements, but your bones are still getting weaker. It's not working. You might suffer from stiff fingers, lower back pain, or a hump forming on your neck. You are shrinking. The truth is, you don't need more calcium. You are drowning in calcium. It is going to the wrong place. Imagine one simple, ignored mineral that acts as the traffic cop for your bones. It directs the traffic. This mineral stops calcium from turning your arteries into stone and forces it into your bones where it belongs. It fixes the flow. This forbidden nutrient is scientifically proven to cure arthritis in 95% of cases. And regrow cartilage. The results are shocking. It acts as the ultimate decalcifier, scrubbing the toxic fluoride from your pineal gland and waking up your brain. It opens your third eye. This is the ultimate, non-drug secret to reversing osteoporosis, boosting testosterone, and moving without pain. It saves your life. We'll expose the huge lie about why this mineral was banned from food supplies and labeled as poison. Get the truth. If you ignore this deficiency, you risk kidney stones, heart valve calcification, and total skeletal collapse. The risk is high. We'll reveal the exact dosage you need and the simple dried fruit that is packed with it. Eat this snack. Don't skip the final warning about the detox pain that happens when it starts cleaning your joints. Be ready. Stay tuned to master the ultimate secret to unbreakable bones and flexible joints. Your rebuild starts now. The miraculous, forgotten mineral we are revealing today, the one that holds your skeleton together, is boron. Most people have never heard of it, or they only know it as borax, the laundry detergent. But boron is an essential trace mineral that has been quietly removed from our soil by modern chemical fertilizers. To understand why your bones are rotting, you must understand the calcium paradox. In the West, we consume the highest amount of calcium in the world, yet we have the highest rates of osteoporosis. Why? Because without boron, calcium does not know where to go. It floats in your blood and settles in your joints' arthritis, your kidneys' stones, and your arteries' plaque. Boron is the master controller of your parathyroid hormones. It tells your body, take this calcium out of the soft tissue and glue it into the bone. Studies confirm that supplementing with just 3 milligrams of boron daily reduces urinary calcium loss by 44%. This means you stop peeing out your bones and start rebuilding them. Let's talk about the arthritis miracle. In the 1960s, a soil scientist named Dr. Newnham developed arthritis so bad he couldn't walk. He realized that plants in his area were mineral deficient. He started taking tiny amounts of boron. Within 3 weeks, his pain, swelling, and stiffness were completely gone. He later conducted a double-blind study where 70% of arthritis patients improved significantly on boron. However, pharmaceutical companies cannot patent a natural mineral, so this research was buried. Boron works by strengthening the cross-links in the collagen of your cartilage. It literally regrows the shock absorbers in your knees and fingers. Now let's look at the brain decalcification effect. We are constantly exposed to fluoride in our tap water and toothpaste. Fluoride accumulates in the pineal gland in your brain, calcifying it and turning it to stone. This disrupts your sleep melatonin and creates brain fog. Boron is the only known antagonist to fluoride. It binds to the fluoride ions in your body and flushes them out in your urine. By detoxing the fluoride, you decalcify your pineal gland, restoring deep sleep, vivid dreams, and mental clarity. Let's talk about testosterone and hormones. Boron is a natural steroid booster. It inhibits the protein sheath that binds up your sex hormones, making them inactive. A famous study showed that men who took 10 milligrams of boron for just 1 week increased their free testosterone by 28%. For women, it helps balance estrogen, preventing the bone loss associated with menopause. It is the ultimate youth mineral for both sexes. Now let's look at the food sources. Because our soil is depleted, it is hard to get enough from vegetables. However, the best natural source is organic prunes, dried plums, and raisins. Prunes are rich in boron and have been proven to reverse bone loss in postmenopausal women. Eating 6 to 10 prunes a day gives you a healthy dose of boron along with vitamin K2. Avocados and almonds are also decent sources. But if you have arthritis or severe pain, food might not be enough. The supplement protocol: you can buy ionic boron or boron glycinate supplements. The maintenance dose for healthy bones is 3 milligrams per day. The therapeutic dose for arthritis or hormone balancing is often 6 milligrams to 10 milligrams per day. There is a controversial method used by many natural health advocates: the borax solution. Some people dissolve a tiny pinch, 1/8 of a teaspoon of pure borax powder in a liter of water and drink it throughout the day. While thousands swear by this arthritis cure, the FDA has labeled borax as not for internal use. We recommend sticking to the pharmaceutical-grade boron supplements or eating prunes to be safe. We must address the final, urgent warning regarding the Herxheimer reaction. When you start taking boron, it begins to kill fungus candida and flush out fluoride rapidly. This can cause a healing crisis. Your joint pain might actually get worse for the first few days. You might get a headache, skin rash, or fatigue. This is called the Herxheimer reaction. It means the toxins are leaving your body. Do not panic. Drink huge amounts of water with Celtic salt to help flush the toxins. Start with a low dose, 1 milligram, and slowly work your way up. Also, if you have kidney disease, consult your doctor, as your kidneys are responsible for filtering the mineral. For everyone else, this forbidden mineral is the missing link. It moves the calcium out of your painful joints and into your crumbling bones. It scrubs your brain clean and turns your hormones back on. This affordable mineral is your ultimate tool for building a body that cannot be broken. We have now armed you with the exact knowledge to safely leverage this bone builder. Now tell us in the comments below, do you eat prunes, or did you think they were just for constipation? We want to hear your diet secrets. If this video revealed the simple cure for someone struggling with osteoporosis or arthritis, please share it immediately with them. You could be saving their skeleton. And finally, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right now. You don't want to miss our next video, where we expose the top 3 surprising foods that are secretly causing your hair loss and aging. Thank you for prioritizing your health. Decalcify your body and regrow your strength. We will see you next time with more breakthrough natural remedies.